We extracted the logs of this drone. The serial number of the drone is this here. We can see it. No. Let me turn on the light. Here it is. The serial number. So now we're gonna get the app logs. First of all, I need to take a capture, a screenshot. Okay, so now we're gonna get the app data. First of all, we try to get the logs to send it to DJI. But when we finish this extraction, we're gonna start to connect the ESCs to check if any of the ESC are damaged. For now, the cable of the ESC4 is damaged. Is this? It's damaged, so the cable is damaged, but maybe the ESC is not damaged, so we're gonna check. No, as we see here, it's burned. Look the color. So we need to change this, but maybe the others are not damaged. So we're gonna do some tests, trying to connect it and turn it on to see if the problem of the ESCs it's not there. Okay, so this is the app data.